Look what I just got. Lead Funnels, hot off the press. Brand new product from ClickFunnels. And I just wanted to shoot a video real quick to tell you all about it and how awesome it is. In fact, I got the digital product. It's only sold as a digital product, but I went straight to Staples, printed it out, got it binded. It's 172 pages of awesomeness. And let me tell you a little bit about it. First of all, who is Lead Funnels for? It is for real estate agents, fitness people, consultants, dentists, attorneys, gym owners, salon owners, coaches, financial people, diet people, healing people, CBD people. I know there's a bunch of you guys building funnels right now. So many countless other niches that this is for. What is Lead Funnels? Lead Funnels is basically a swipe file. It's a swipe file of all the best lead funnels out there. I mean, I was looking through the book and there are some big name guys in here right now. I just see Jim, first page I opened to here. There's so many, and it just gives you everything that they're doing in their lead funnels. A lead funnel is basically a 2 or 3 step funnel system where you're trying to get the lead. So if your business needs leads, then Lead Funnels is for you, and you can't pass that up. I don't know if I mentioned, but it's only $7. You see that? The digital copy is only $7. I'll leave a link down below where you can get it. I don't know how long they're going to offer at this price, to be honest. I heard people talking about it's worth a couple of $1,000 and they're going to bump the price up very soon. And I can see why, because it is amazing stuff. Again, you don't have to print this out. You can keep it on the computer if you want. But, I just loved everything that I saw in there, and it was amazing. It's 114 unique lead funnels. So basically, all these dudes with awesome lead funnels where they're trying to capture leads for their business, they break it down and they give you everything. The swipe files, you're basically stealing from these people, right? You can go in there and you can funnel hack, you can copy them and see what they're doing and use it for your business segment and make it work and make a bunch of money. So this thing is by far it's the best investment you can make. $7. You can skip a meal at McDonald's tomorrow and you can have lead funnels. If you have a business that needs leads, then you got to check this out. Okay, I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out. Get it before they raise the price. I'm telling you, they're going to raise the price. I promise you that. And if you have any questions, let me know, because this stuff is amazing. I can't believe, I'm so excited that they put this out at this price. You can't beat it, man. I spent a bunch of money to get this bound up and printed and stuff, but I think it's worth it, man. I would have paid them $100 for this, for the digital file. It's amazing stuff. So if you have any questions after you go get it, again, I'll leave the link down below. If you got any questions about it, come back here, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to answer and give you my experience with it and help you in any way that can help you succeed in your ventures, your business ventures and sales funnel ventures. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.